Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Practice Speaking English series. Today's conversation is all about visiting a doctor and talking about health, a very useful topic that helps you learn medical vocabulary, practice natural sentences, and confidently explain symptoms or ask questions. Let's join Jake and Liam as they chat about doctor visits, describing health issues, treatments, and advice. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who want to improve their English. And tell us in the comments what's the most recent health checkup you've had. Now, let's get started.
Hi Liam, you don't look well today. Are you feeling okay?
Hi Jake, actually, I've been having a sore throat and mild fever since yesterday.
That sounds uncomfortable. Have you thought about seeing a doctor?
Yes, I think I should. I don't want it to get worse.
That's wise. Visiting a doctor early can prevent complications.
Exactly. I'm planning to make an appointment today.
Do you usually visit the same doctor or a new one each time?
I have a family doctor I trust, so I usually go there.
That's good. Having a doctor you trust makes you feel more comfortable.
Absolutely. They know my medical history, which is helpful.
When you go to the doctor, do you usually describe symptoms in detail?
Yes, I try to mention everything, even small things.
That's important. Minor details can help doctors diagnose correctly.
Exactly. I don't want to leave out anything significant.
Do you usually make an appointment or just walk in?
I usually make an appointment because the clinic is busy.
That's smart. It saves time and avoids long waiting periods.
Exactly.
How do you describe your symptoms to the doctor?
I say things like, I have a sore throat, I feel feverish, or I've been coughing for 2 days.
That's perfect. Time and duration are important details.
Yes, I also mention if the symptoms are getting better or worse.
Do you usually measure your temperature before visiting?
Yes, I take it with a thermometer to give accurate information.
That's very helpful. It gives the doctor a clear idea of the situation.
Exactly.
Do you ever describe your pain on a scale from 1 to 10?
Yes, it helps the doctor understand severity. My sore throat feels like 6 out of 10.
That's a good method. Doctors use it often.
Yes, it makes diagnosis easier.
How about other symptoms like fatigue or headache?
I mention them too, even small symptoms can matter.
Do you usually get a physical examination?
Yes, the doctor usually checks my throat, ears, and temperature first.
That's very thorough. Do they also check your blood pressure?
Yes, if it's necessary, routine checkups include blood pressure.
Do you take notes about what the doctor says?
Sometimes, especially instructions about medication or lifestyle changes.
That's smart. You can forget details otherwise.
Exactly. It helps me follow the advice correctly.
Do you ask questions about the treatment?
Yes, I always ask about dosage, side effects, and how long it takes to recover.
That's very responsible. Understanding treatment is crucial.
Exactly.
How about follow-up appointments? Do you usually schedule them?
Yes, if the doctor recommends it, I always book a follow-up.
That's smart. Monitoring recovery is important.
Absolutely.
Do you usually discuss previous illnesses with the doctor?
Yes, especially if it might be related to current symptoms.
That's helpful. Past conditions can affect diagnosis.
Exactly.
Do you bring your medical history or records?
Yes, especially if it's a specialist visit.
That's great. Doctors appreciate complete information.
Yes, it makes treatment faster and accurate.
Do you usually get prescribed medicine or home remedies first?
It depends. For minor issues, sometimes they recommend rest and fluids.
That's true. Not all illnesses require immediate medication.
Exactly.
Do you ask about over-the-counter medicines?
Yes, sometimes I ask if I can take something for quick relief.
That's good. Always check with the doctor first.
Absolutely, self-medication can be risky.
How about allergies? Do you tell your doctor?
Yes, I always mention any drug or food allergies.
That's very important for safety.
Definitely.
Do you discuss lifestyle habits like diet and exercise?
Yes, the doctor often asks about them for overall health.
That's great. Healthy habits prevent many illnesses.
Exactly.
Do you ever ask for alternative treatments?
Sometimes I ask if natural remedies or changes in diet can help.
That's smart. Some minor issues improve with lifestyle changes.
Exactly.
Do you ever feel nervous visiting the doctor?
Yes, sometimes I worry about the diagnosis.
That's normal. Doctors are there to help, not judge.
True, talking openly makes it easier.
Do you bring someone with you when visiting a doctor?
Sometimes my family, especially for serious issues or appointments with specialists.
That's helpful. A companion can remind you of instructions.
Exactly.
Do you usually get a blood test or X-ray?
Only if the doctor thinks it's necessary.
That's practical. Tests should be done based on symptoms.
Yes, unnecessary tests are avoided.
How about mental health? Do you discuss it with your doctor?
Yes, I tell them if I feel stressed or anxious.
That's very important. Mental health affects physical health too.
Absolutely.
Do you ask for advice about diet and nutrition?
Yes, the doctor often gives tips for healthy eating.
That's great. Good nutrition improves immunity and energy.
Exactly.
Do you check medication instructions carefully?
Always, I read dosage, timing, and precautions.
That's smart. Following instructions ensures safe recovery.
Absolutely.
Do you ask about side effects of medications?
Yes, I want to know what to expect.
That's very responsible. It prevents surprises and complications.
Exactly.
Do you ask if you can take the medicine with food or empty stomach?
Yes, it affects absorption and effectiveness.
That's important. Some medications need food. Some don't.
Exactly.
Do you discuss chronic conditions with your doctor?
Yes, I have to monitor them regularly.
That's smart. Chronic conditions need careful management.
Absolutely.
How about vaccines? Do you ask about them?
Yes, I check for flu shots or other recommended vaccines.
That's very important for prevention.
Exactly.
Do you ever ask for referrals to specialists?
Yes, if the doctor thinks it's necessary. That's good. Seeing the right specialist saves time and effort. Absolutely.
Do you feel comfortable asking questions during the appointment?
Yes, I try to ask everything I'm curious about.
That's important. Open communication helps recovery.
Exactly.
Do you discuss exercise routines with your doctor?
Yes, they often give suggestions for safe workouts.
That's smart. Exercise improves overall health.
Absolutely.
Do you ask about sleep habits too?
Yes, poor sleep affects health a lot.
That's true. Doctors often give tips for better sleep. Exactly. Do you discuss weight management with your doctor?
Yes, especially if I want to lose or gain weight safely.
That's very responsible. Proper guidance prevents health issues.
Exactly.
Do you ask about supplements or vitamins?
Yes, if they are necessary for my health. That's smart. Not all supplements are needed for everyone. Exactly.
Do you follow the doctor's advice carefully?
Always, it's essential for proper recovery.
That's great. Compliance is key to feeling better.
Absolutely.
Do you ever ask for lifestyle changes if your health is affected?
Yes, like diet, exercise, or quitting unhealthy habits.
That's very important. Prevention is better than cure.
Exactly.
Do you schedule regular checkups?
Yes, even when I feel fine, annual checkups are important.
That's smart. Early detection prevents serious problems.
Absolutely.
How about stress management? Do you discuss it?
Yes, doctors give advice on relaxation techniques.
That's good. Mental health is very important.
Exactly.
Do you ask about signs that indicate worsening conditions?
Yes, I want to know when to come back immediately.
That's responsible. It prevents emergencies.
Exactly.
Do you feel comfortable discussing sensitive health issues?
Yes, with a trusted doctor, it's important to be honest.
That's great. Honesty helps in proper diagnosis.
Absolutely.
Do you discuss preventive tests like blood sugar or cholesterol?
Yes, especially if there's a family history.
That's very responsible. Early detection is essential.
Exactly.
How about discussing lifestyle risks like smoking or alcohol?
Yes, doctors often give advice to reduce risks.
That's smart. Awareness can prevent serious diseases.
Absolutely.
Do you ask about medications you take regularly?
Yes, to avoid interactions and side effects.
That's very important. Safety always comes first.
Exactly.
Do you ask for clear instructions about injections or vaccinations?
Yes, including timing and possible reactions.
That's smart. It helps you prepare.
Absolutely.
Do you discuss children or family health with the doctor?
Sometimes, family health history can be important.
That's very wise. It helps in preventive care.
Exactly.
How about discussing seasonal illnesses like flu?
Yes, I ask about prevention and vaccinations.
That's smart. Preparation prevents infections. Absolutely. Do you feel more confident after visiting a doctor?
Yes, I always feel relieved and informed.
That's great. Knowledge about your health reduces anxiety.
Exactly.
Do you follow the doctor's instructions strictly at home?
Always, it helps in proper recovery and prevents complications.
That's very responsible. Good habits improve health outcomes.
Absolutely.
Well, Liam, it seems you're well prepared to take care of your health.
Yes, Jake, I understand my health better and can make informed choices.
That's excellent. Regular visits, proper communication, and following advice are key to staying healthy.
Absolutely. I feel confident and ready to maintain good health. That was a complete conversation about visiting a doctor and talking about health. We hope you learned useful phrases, vocabulary, and tips to discuss symptoms, ask questions, and follow medical advice in English. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who want to improve their English. And don't forget to comment below what's your most recent health checkup experience. Stay healthy, informed, and keep practicing your English.